Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban, and that's Mom holding the camera.
Hi!
She's so cute. And today we're going to be playing a math bowling game.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right, now Corban is going to explain the rules.
So the rules are, see here, these pins. So each pin is worth 100 points. And the rules are that you have to roll, and whoever gets the biggest number in 5 rounds, in 10 rounds, wins.
Okay, so we're playing 10 rounds, and whoever has the highest number in 10 rounds wins. And then each time we roll, how many times do we get to roll? Once or twice?
You get to roll twice.
Okay, we get to roll twice. All right, and we're going to be keeping score. All right, Corban, you're going down.
You're going down.
All right, since Corban is the youngest, he's going to go first.
Look, my hands is 3 rolls here.
All right, first try. Oh, that's 200 points for the first try. And you have a second try. All right, you have a total of 300 points.
Now, Mommy's gonna go.
All right, it's my turn. Okay, I have 200.
Let's see.
Oh, we're tied at 300.
Yeah!
All right, it's round 2, Corban's turn.
So far, we are tied.
Yep, 300 to
And
300.
I thought I was gonna beat you.
Oh, whoa, that's 4, right?
Yeah!
400.
I have 600! You can't beat that score, right?
All right, so 400 plus 600. 400 plus 200 is 600. So 600 plus 300 is...
It is 900.
Yes, so you have a total of 900. All right, so it's my turn. So I gotta beat Corban. Corban has 900 points so far.
You made me do it.
All right, I got an additional 200.
No, Mommy has 500.
All right, so I got a total of 400. All right, that's my turn. So Corban.
Now
is
Mommy
next.
has 700.
Yes.
I'm beating you.
Yes, so Corban is next. Okay, Corban is beating me. He has 900. I have 700. It's round 3. So Corban, go ahead. All right, that's 200 points.
Now I have 1,000.
100.
1,100.
All right, so you have a total of, that was 5. So you have a total of 500 points. All right, my turn next. Well, not a total, but additional 500 points. All right, my turn next.
1,400.
All right, so it's round 3. And Corban has
1,400.
1,400, so I'm gonna try to beat his score. All right, that's 200 for me. All right, so that's additional 400, so 700 plus 400 is 1,100.
Yeah!
Yes. All right, it's round 4. Corban has 1,400, and I have 1,100. All right, go
I'm
ahead.
beating Mommy by 300.
Yes. All right, that was 200. All right, so that's 400.
Oh, that ball's coming over.
Up 400 added to your score. All right, round 4. Corban has 1,800, and I have 1,100. So let's go. All right, okay. Oh, 400. Oh no! 400. All right.
Oh no, that was actually 500.
That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you're right, 500. All right, I have 500. All right, it's Corban's turn next. Okay, it's round 5. Corban has 1,800, and I have 1,600. All right, go ahead.
Seems like we get the red one.
Whoa, how many is that?
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7.
All right, 700 so far.
That's a lot.
All right, he has a total of 800 to add to his score.
I never got a spare.
All right, my turn next. All right. So
now I have 2,600 because I got the 800 last time.
right, you have 2,600 and I have 1,600. So you're beating me by 1,000 points. All right, so I gotta do really well this. Oh, 2. Oh, okay. I only got 5, so I have 500 added to my score. All right, your turn next.
Okay. It's round 6. And I'm gonna go first.
Wait, you have 2,600 and I have
2,100.
100. All right, your turn. All right, that's 100.
Hey! Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So you have a total of 400.
Oh, that was
Almost. My turn next.
almost.
All right. So still round 6. So far, Corbin has 3,000 and I have 2,100. So,
Yeah, we do.
oh, only 200. Oh, all right. 400 added to my score. All right, it's your turn. Okay, it's round 7. Corbin has 3,000 and I have 2,500. All right, Corbin, go ahead. Whoa! How many is that? 1, 2, 3,
6.
4. Okay, 600 so far.
Oh, ready?
900 points. All right, good job. My turn next. All right, so Corbin has 3,900.
And Mommy only has scored 2,500.
All right, I have 2,000.
I hope Mommy gets all of the pins done like
Yes,
this.
I need it. All right, I have 2,500.
Get it on
Round
strike.
7.
Get it straight.
Oh. Oh my gosh. All right, so it's 300. Corbin's turn. Okay, this is round 8. Corbin has 3,900 and I have 2,800. All right, go.
Wish me luck.
All right. All right, 200 so far. And all right, total of 300 added to his score. All right, my turn. All right, so still round 8. Corbin has, how many do you have?
4,200.
4,200 and I have 2,800.
800.
All right.
Even if you get...
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. 500. All right.
No, wait. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 500.
Yeah, 500.
All right, Corbin's turn next. Okay, it's round 9 and Corbin has 4,200.
I believe I can fly.
And I have, oh gosh, what do I have, Corbin? What's my score?
3,300.
3,300.
I believe I can fly.
All right, go ahead.
Wish me luck.
Okay, so that was 1. All right, so 200 added to his score. My turn. All right, so still round 9. Corbin has 4,400 and I have
3,300.
3,300.
Mom, if you get strike or spare, you be caught up with me.
All right, I need to get a strike. So I need to get all of these down. I don't know how I'm gonna do. Let's see if I can like do a little curve here. No. Oh my goodness. 300. All right, Corbin's turn next.
I'm gonna win.
Okay, this is the last round, round 10. Corbin has 4,400 points.
And Mommy has 3,600.
Yeah, I have 3,600 points. All right, so Corbin's turn is next. All right, that's 100. All right, a total of 300 points.
Oh my goodness.
All right, my turn. All right, it's round 10. Corbin has 4,700.
And
I
Mommy
have,
has
what? I have
3,600.
3,600. All right, it's my
You
last
can get a little closer this time.
trying to get. Oh, 400.
I win!
All right, add them up. All right, so Corbin is adding up my score here.
And Mommy's score is, drum roll please.
Wait, well 6 plus 4 is what?
Actually 6 plus 4 is 10, so. And the winner, and boom! Mommy has a total of 4,000.
4,000 compared to Corbin's 4,700.
I beat Mommy by 700! Thanks for watching, bye!